A Genius 3D mammography exam looks and feels similar to a regular mammogram. However, the X-ray arm swings over your breast, taking multiple images in a matter of seconds. This creates a three-dimensional image set. So now the doctors can see and search through your tissue in 1 millimeter layers. Why is this a good thing? Well, a traditional 2D mammogram shows all the breast tissue at a glance. That means one feature can hide in the shadow of another. So it might look like there's cancer where there isn't any. Or there could be a tiny cancer we just can't see. A Genius 3D mammography exam is different because it shows your tissue in very thin layers, almost like turning pages in a book. There's less chance for a cancer to hide behind overlapping tissue. It also means there is less chance your doctor will call you back for a second look, because they can see more clearly now. The Genius 3D mammography exam is better for all women and is the only mammogram FDA approved as superior for women with dense breasts compared to 2D mammography alone. And only the Genius 3D mammography exam is proven to detect 20 to 65% more invasive breast cancers compared to 2D alone. The Genius 3D mammography exam is a better screening technology for all women in the fight against breast cancer. To learn more, visit mygenius3d.com. Genius 3D Mammography is brought to you by Hologic.